In the broadest sense, free will is the ability to do whatever you want, uncontrolled. But limits are facts. My choices are between predetermined options. I would love to fly across the universe to see another side. But I realize I must have air, water, food, shelter, exercise, time, and love. Science only works because of predictability. But there is a shred of hope for free will. The plain proof of this is the existence of thoughts which no one could foresee. This alone does not prove freedom of the will, but determinism cannot be complete without complete predictability. Today's scientific arts are far from perfect, especially when forecasting thought. Pure determinism is theory, but compatibilism describes what we actually see.
A will is a desire. A desire is a type of thought. Just like a reason or a purpose, a will is not matter.
The mindful defy physics. Lifting one's hand proves the presence of a will. Science describes the mind as having the power of neuroplasticity. This includes the brain's ability to make connections between points of brain matter by thinking. This means that there is a loop between matter and consciousness. They both affect each other.
One day I wanted to quit smoking, but it seemed that my will was subdued by villainous tobacco. I heard of a medication which would help me quit. I took it and I quit smoking. In the process, I noticed that part of me wanted to quit smoking, and another part did not want to quit. There were two distinct and opposite wills, in my mind, both believed to be caused by the same laws of physics. One will within me used medicine to subdue and compel another will within me. The fact that there were two opposite desired wills indicates that there could not be a uniform control. The will that subdued the smoking desire is potentially free. While it can be argued that logic itself compelled me to quit smoking, I had ignored logic for many years before I chose to quit.
I had steak for lunch. Because I had steak for lunch, I want vegetables for dinner. I believe my desire for a vegetable dinner is controlled by physics. But consider if free will exists when choices are equally compelled by physics. Here is the banal choice between the left door and the right door. I comb my memory to help me remember which door I have chosen before, and which door renders more positive outcomes. For this to help me choose wisely, my memory must be accurate. My memory is not accurate. Undaunted, I make a choice. My choice between the two equal doors is either the product of randomness or the product of free will. Neither one can be excluded. Randomness is not a cause. It is the absence of a cause. I surmise that free will is the cause of such a choice.
There can't be a nefarious controlling being. Some people believe that another being controls human thoughts, and therefore there is no free will. This notion is impossible because a person can have an absolute sincere desire for free will. If a being were controlling my will, my desire for free will is the opposite desire of the controlling being's desire. Even if the controlling being wanted me to desire free will, the controller's purpose for causing that desire in me is not honest. Conversely, my desire for free will is sincere. Having the opposite desires means having your own unique will.